Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to look presentable without using any kind of makeup. So this is my look. I didn't use any makeup on my face to create this look. So if you want to know about this, if you are interested about this, then please keep on watching. So I already have a clear face. I use my cleanser, then I'm using this sandalwood and rosewood purifying and hydrating toner from Good Vibes. I recently started using it and I found it really well on my skin, and then I'm just give it a time so that it sinks on my skin or dries out on my skin. Then I'm going to use my lip balm. This is the childhood wasted lip balm from Purple in mango flavor and I love it. It's a cute bottle. This is what it looks like, and now I'm applying it. Then I'm going to use my moisturizer. You guys know that I love aloe vera gel, so I'm using Good Vibes aloe vera gel as a moisturizer, and I'm also going to massage my skin with this moisturizer, with this aloe vera gel, because massage instantly increases the blood circulation on your face, so it gives you an instant glow within. So that's why try to massage your skin a little bit for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute if you have time, like this. Okay, now I'm taking this spoolie brush and dip into the aloe vera gel, and with the help of that I'm going to set my eyebrows, and also I'm applying it on my eyelashes so that we can have that mascara effect without using any mascara. Also, I'm trying it on my lower lashes, but if you are confused, then don't go for it because you can poke your eyes. Now, it's an optional step, but I'm using this L'Oreal Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence. I very recently started using it. I just wanted to know that if it's working on my skin or not. So, but it's really working, like not that too much effective, but it's effective. I'm just using it on my pores area so that I can have a smooth clear canvas. Then I'm using this Garnier Light Complete Serum Cream, and I'm using it I really like this cream because I started using it when I was teenager and really works on my skin really well. It's not like the other white beauty or fairness cream like Pond's White Beauty or Fair and Lovely. It's really good on your skin. It's with vitamin C, and also it removes my tan and everything if I have one. I really like this cream. It's kind of tinted moisturizer. If you don't want to use this tinted moisturizer, you can use any other tinted moisturizer you have, just to have a glow on your skin, because we are not using any makeup. Now for lips, I'm using a brush. This is a baby brush. I'm just using it, brushing it on my lips. I'm using it very gently. This video is fast forwarded, so I'm really not using any pressure. Very gently apply it on my lips. It gives you an instant plumpness. Add some plumpness to your lips. Then I'm going to use a tinted lip balm. This is herbal tinted lip balm from Palladio in the shade Bronzy Pink. You can use any other tinted lip balm. You can use the Maybelline one. They are also very good. Okay, now I'm just using it on my lips. Also, I'm going to use a little bit just on the middle portion of my eyelids. So finally I'm going to use my toner again. So make sure that everything just stay longer on my face. Whatever I have used, just stay together on my face. Okay, now that's my final look. I'm just going to get ready a little bit with that. I have done a regular braid, side braid, and also tied a scarf around my neck and these earrings. I love to get ready like that, but if you want, you can also keep your hair open, or you can do this kind of makeup if you are going to a night walk, or if you're staying at home but you want to look presentable, you have a online class or online interview, you can do this kind of makeup just to just to get ready in that way. It's actually totally based on skincare products, but just to have a clear better version of your face, or just to make yourself presentable without using any kind of makeup. So that was my video for today. That was my look from this to this without using any kind of makeup. I hope you like it. If you like, please give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video.